Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your financial health with Zoom video, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your financial health using Zoom video, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Check that your computer or device meets Zoom's technical requirements. Download and install the latest version of the Zoom app. Create a Zoom account if you don't already have one. Familiarize yourself with Zoom's features, including screen sharing and virtual backgrounds. Schedule a financial meeting with your advisor or team using the calendar integration. Send invites with clear agendas to ensure everyone knows the meeting's purpose. Prepare relevant documents in advance for your financial discussion. Use screen sharing to present your financial documents during the meeting. Set security measures such as password protection for your meeting to ensure privacy. During the meeting, ask questions about your financial health and strategies to improve it. Take notes on key points and action items discussed during the meeting. After the meeting, follow up with your advisor or team on unresolved issues or additional questions. Regularly schedule Zoom meetings to stay updated on your financial health. Encourage open communication with your financial advisor to address concerns promptly. Utilize Zoom's recording feature for discussions that you want to revisit later. Ensure you have a secure way to share sensitive financial documents, such as using encrypted email or a secure file sharing service. Evaluate your financial goals regularly during these meetings to ensure they align with your current situation. Stay informed about market trends and changes and discuss them in your meetings. Finally, protect your personal information during online meetings by ensuring you are in a secure environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.